How to set up a sleep schedule on your iPhone. Here's how to do it. First, open the Health app on your iPhone. Next, tap the Search tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and select Sleep. If you're setting up sleep for the first time, tap Get Started. Otherwise, scroll down to Your Schedule and tap Edit or Add Schedule. Now, choose your desired bedtime and wake-up time by dragging the bed and alarm icons on the schedule wheel. As you adjust the times, your iPhone will show you how many hours of sleep you'll get each night. You can also select which days of the week you want this schedule to apply to. Next, customize your wake-up alarm by choosing a sound, adjusting the volume, enabling or disabling haptics, and deciding whether you want the snooze option turned on. Once you've finished customizing your settings, tap Done to save your sleep schedule. That's it. You've successfully set up a sleep schedule on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and